Hello students, in previous video we learned about how to use select command with where clause to retrieve data from a table according to a specific filter condition on where clause. Now in this video I am going to display you how websites use the select commands and its different clauses in a live website. Friends, here I would like to clear you that in front end where a user works, where an end user works, he or she actually does not have any idea of how select from and where basically works, but a developer or a programmer actually have this idea that how select from and where works in backend. So in any software or website we have two platforms where a particular person or different types of user works. In front end an end user use that software, and in backend a developer or a software programmer basically create or program all these functionalities. So today we are going to today I'm going to display you how a website basically use these select and where and other clauses in a database management system. So here we have a website called it's a website from Department of IT, State Government of Rajasthan, and here we have table of employees of this department. Here we are having employees table according to their name, designation and department and address. Date of birth of that employee is also displayed here, contact number is displayed, mail address and remark is displayed. So this is our table. So if I press this search button, then that query that we have discussed in our previous video, select star from EMP, is basically working here. So while clicking search, I'm getting entire table. Here you can see that this table is having such 10 pages and around 100 employees list will be displayed here. So this table is basically coming on clicking the search button, but in backend, while clicking this search button in backend, such a query is executing. Select field name 1, field name 2, field name 3 from table name. Such a query is executing. Therefore we are getting these results like this. Now coming back to the where clause, if I restrict result of this table according to district, like for example I want to display employees from a particular district, like for example from Nagaur district. So now while clicking this button, I'm again getting a result table, but here district of all these employees is Nagaur only. Since query is actually running like this one, select field name 1, field name 2, field name 3 and so on from table name where district is equal to Nagaur. So according to this filtration, according to this condition, here this website is working. So here we have selected district as Nagaur, then only employees from Nagaur district is displaying here. You can also select you can also apply a filter according to department. Like if I select here a department like information technology then your result will be like this one. If I select a particular department from this list of departments, then your SQL database management system will display you result according to that department only. So here I'm going to select DOITC district office and press select. So while getting this, while pressing this search button, I'm getting this result from only this department these employees belong. So whatever department you select here, you can get detail from that particular department only. So here where clause is basically working its part. For example here if we compare this query with this our MySQL select command, so here this command is like this: select ID, name, department, salary from table name where department is equal to IT. So here I am selecting this department. So a front end interface is basically don't have any SQL components here, because end user is not aware about how select and how where or how other clauses and commands works. An end user should be provided only a user friendly interface where he can just select and click and get the required result. But while pressing the search button at backend, these types of commands are basically working to provide this list here. I hope you got where these types of select command and insert commands are basically commands of MySQL are useful while creating a website or creating a software. So the purpose of this video is to compare what we are learning and where these learnings are basically implemented. So in this way, while we need to find out certain information from existing table inside our database according to particular filtration or restriction or condition, we can use our MySQL in backend, and in front end we always provide a very easy and user friendly interface. Here we can also filter according to two different types of columns. Like if you want to display employee names with from only Nagaur city or Nagaur district and with the particular department, like if I use here department like agriculture department, then we can search employees like this one. So all these three employees are from agriculture department from district Nagaur. So employees from Nagaur district and agriculture departments are listed here. So in this way we can use where command to filter or to restrict the condition or the records according to our requirement. So I hope you people got this very easily. Here we have some more practical example on where clause. Like before, I have some where commands implemented according to salary, according to department name. You can also use where clause according to any column name here. So for example, if you wants to display a list of all those employees having salary less than 40,000 rupees or less than 50,000 rupees, then you can use select star from EMP where salary is less than 50,000. So this where condition is restricting this table according to salary. Where salary is less than 50,000, only those record will be displayed in our result table. If you want to display if you want to use where clause with combined condition, multiple conditions, like for example my requirement is to display list of employees from IT department whose salary is less than 50,000. Now I am having two different conditions with single query. I'm repeating my query: display list of all employees with IT department having less than 50,000 salary. In that case, we need to combine two where conditions in this way: select star from EMP where, now first condition, where department is equal to IT. Second condition will be constructed here using conjunction AND, where salary is less than 50,000. So here we are getting one more filter here added, and a where clause with two different condition connected with the AND operator. List of all those employees from IT department and also having salary less than 50,000 rupees. So in this way we can use multiple conditions in a where command. Thank you for this video.